Hey, gorgeous. Are you like me and absolutely love skincare and spend thousands of dollars annually on skincare? Well, let me tell you, I came across Skin Perfection, and this is a skincare line that is all natural and organic. Half the product ingredients in my skincare, I don't even know what they are. I don't even know how to pronounce the names of them. So I was super happy to come across this particular skin line. They have everything that you need, recipes for skincare, for masks, for hair care and body care, and so much more. I hope that you will check out Skin Perfection. The ingredients are absolutely amazing. This is super easy to create. I created my own anti-aging serum within 10 minutes, I want to say, probably 15 max. And I stored it away in a container just like this and put it in my refrigerator. Absolutely amazing.